Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making Moi Moi, also known as beans cake. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So these are the ingredients for this recipe: vegetable oil, beans, grounded crayfish, 2 Maggi cubes, salt, water, eggs, 1 onion, 1 habanero pepper and 1 red bell pepper. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. I will start by soaking the beans in water for 1 hour until the skin can easily fall out. It's up to 1 hour now. You can see how easy it is to remove the skin. Now we put the beans in the blender. And add twice as much water as the beans. Cover with lid. Then blend it briefly for 3 to 4 seconds for about 3 to 4 times. The aim is not to blend the beans but to break up the beans a little bit so that the skin will fall off easily. Then pour the beans into the bowl. And fill it with water. Agitate the beans just like this and the skin will float. I will pour off the skin into a sieve and repeat this process until the beans is skin free. You can see how clean the beans is. Now we put the peeled beans, red bell pepper, habanero pepper and onion inside the blender. Then add water. Cover with lid. Then blend it until it's very smooth. Now we pour it into a bowl. Then rinse the blender with some water, then pour it inside. Now we pour water inside the pot. Cover with lid, then leave it to boil. I will add 2 Maggi cubes, 2 tablespoons of grounded crayfish, 1 teaspoon of salt and vegetable oil. Then stir it round until everything is well combined. Now we scoop the moi moi into the aluminium foil bag. Then add a piece of egg and fold to close the bag just like this. I will gently place the bag into the pot of boiling water. Then cover it with a foil paper and cover it with a lid and leave it to cook for 1 hour. I will be coming to check it time to time to add water. It's up to 1 hour now. I will take the bag out of the pot. Then leave it in my baking pan to cool down completely. Now I'm going to open it so that you see how it looks. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my moi moi. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.